feed the speed. The combination of speed and feed provide winning results to assure accelerated machining with Tungaloy's Tung G-Force lines of tools. Tung G-Force Mill. Tungaloy introduces its latest milling tool lines for accelerated machining. Tung-Tri. Tungaloy introduces Tung-Tri, the economical super positive triangular insert for 90-degree shoulder milling. The accurate insert structure assures high wall accuracy and surface quality with no mismatch. The cutter has ramp-down capabilities that enables performing pocket milling easily. Tung-Tri provides a smooth, easy cut, while maintaining high stable cutting, which eliminates chattering, reduces cutting forces, and improves surface finish. Tung-Tri positive inserts are suitable for extended flute milling cutters for roughing operations in large depths. The NMJ type insert with its saw-like cutting edge eliminates vibrations in heavy-duty machining of difficult-to-cut materials. Accelerated machining and very high productivity achieved with Tung-Tri. Tung-Tri Shred. Tungaloy's new Tung-Tri Shred line is a series of extended flute cutters for rough milling operations. The NMJ type inserts have three saw-like symmetrical cutting edges. The curved saw-like shape of the insert's edges splits the chips and assures that chattering is eliminated even under extreme cutting conditions. In large depth machining with long extension tool, the Tung-Tri Shred is the ultimate solution to stabilize cutting and reduce vibration. The MJ type insert has straight cutting edges and is used for finishing operations. Tung-Tri Shred, an excellent solution for machining difficult to cut aerospace materials. Accelerated machining and very high productivity achieved with Tung-Tri Shred. Tung Force Rec. Tungaloy's new Tung Force Rec is a line of small milling tools with a unique V-shaped seat design insert. The geometry features full-bodied strong insert design which enables durable machining even in small diameter cuts while maintaining high accuracy and stability. The inserts are seated on a V-shaped pocket at the bottom of the tool, assuring high cutting stability. Tung Force Rec inserts possess a super helix shape for 90-degree shoulder milling. Due to the high positive rake geometry, a very smooth and easy cut is obtained. Milling accurate walls with a high surface finish and minimum mismatch also feature a ramp-down ability for pocket milling. Accelerated machining and very high productivity achieved with Tung Force Rec. Accelerated machining performed with Tungaloy's latest lines of new generation milling tools. Tung G-Force Mill.